Hello students, now we are going to discuss the past year JEE advanced problems of the logarithm. So in 2019 there was no problem asked directly based on logarithm, but in 2018 in the paper 1 there was one problem asked. It was the integer type problem, that is log of base 2 9 raised to the power 2 1 upon log of base 2 log of 9 base 2 into root 7 raised to the power 1 upon log 7 base 4. So we are going to discuss this problem, how to approach this problem. So first of all, if anywhere it is written a raised to the power log of x base a, so we can directly we can write is equals to x. It's quite easy to understand there. Let's say it's some different number, let's say z. So we can write that the log of x base a is equals to log of z base a. So that means x has to be z. Simply using the property that a raised to the power x is equals to y, then log of y base a is equals to x. So this property we are going to use it here. Now see there. It is written 2 into 1 upon log of base 2 log 9 base 2. So what I'll do, I'll use the property of log of b base a is equals to 1 upon log of a base b. So this thing will bring in the numerator there, and if by using this property we can write that log of base 2 1 upon log of 9 base 2, we can write log of base log 9 base 2 into 2. Means simply using this property we can write like this. So here we can write that the log of 2 9 raised to the power 2 log, now the base will become 9 base 2 as I'm taking this to the numerator and 2 there. Now you can see there, before using the property which I just told you, that is a raised to the power log of x base a is equals to x, what we can see here, there is nothing written. So what I'll do, I'll bring that 2 over there. And if I bring that 2, we can write log of base 2 9 raised to the power log of base log 9 base 2, and this is 4. So you can see there log of 9 base 2 log of 9 base 2. Now you see this base and this are same. This is a, this is a. If I take this log 9 base 2 as a, you can see a over there, you can see a there. So this is a raised to the power log 4 base a. So we can write this number is equals to 4. So first part of this problem becomes 4. So this part we can take out and this we can write 4. Now we'll see root 7 raised to the power 1 upon log of 7 base 4. Again using the same property, but before using the property, what I'll do, I'll convert this root 7 as a 7 raised to the power half. So that is 4 into 7 raised to the power half. And simultaneously what I'll do, I'll bring that 7 over in the numerator and we can write this is log 4 base 7. Bring this half over there and you can write 4 into 7 raised to the power log of 2 base 7. Again you see a raised to the power log base a x. So what I'll get there? 2. So 4 into 2, that is 8 is the answer for this problem. this is a problem asked in J Advanced 2013 and it was one or more than one, maybe correct. So it was given that 3 raised to the power x is equals to 4 raised to the power x minus 1, then x's value, and these are the 4 options were given. So first we will find what the value of x we can get. Now we see that in each of the options you can see either we have to get the log of 2 base 3 or we have to get the log of 3 base 2 or log of 3 base 4. So it is advisable to go with the log of 3 base 2 because anytime we can convert in the base 4 log 3 base 2 anytime we can convert. Let's see. So it is given that 3 raised to the power x is equals to 4 raised to the power x minus 1. So we'll take the log base 2 both the sides and we can write that the log of this base 2 3 raised to the power x is equals to log of 2 4 raised to the power x minus 1, and you see that 4 you can write 2 raised to the power 2. So 2 we can bring it over here and that is 2 raised to the power x. 2 into x minus 1. Now you can write this as x log 3 base 2 using the properties. You just watch the earlier lectures if you want to see the properties again. 2x minus 1 will come over here and log 2 base 2 will be 1. So now we can find the x's value very easily. So x will bring one side, so this is x log 3 base 2. And if we bring it over here, you will get minus 2 and x I have already taken common and other side will get minus 2. So what I'll do, I'll cancel the minus sign this side and this I'll make positive and this side I'll negative. So x value we get 2 divided by 2 minus log of 3 base 2. So I'll check any other option is there. You can see B option is correct. So it's a more than one correct, so we'll convert the rest of the options also. So we got the value of x there now. We know that the x's value is x is equals to 2 divided by 2 minus log of 3 base 2. And now see in the A option, instead of log of 3 base 2, they are using log 2 base 3. So we'll convert that log 3 base 2 in log 2 base 3. And we also know that the log of 3 base 2 can be written as 1 upon log of 2 base 3. So if I convert this value, so x is equals to 2 upon 2 minus 1 upon log of 2 base 3. So now if I take the LCM, log 2 base 3 will come here and that will go on the top. So that is 2 log 2 base 3 divided by 2 log 2 base 3 minus 1. This is what the value of x. 2 log 2 base 3, 2 log 2 base 3 minus 1. So A option is also correct. I'll check any other options we can get. So you can see there it's a log 3 base 2 and it's very quite visible over there. If you just see that we can divide the numerator denominator by 2. So if I divide the numerator and denominator by 2, you'll get 1 upon 1 minus half log 3 base 4. And if you remember the property that the log of a base a raised to the power k can be written as 1 upon k log of b base a. So the same property will be using over there and this half will go over there. So sorry, it was actually 2. So that half if I bring it there, so half if I bring it there, it will become 4. So that's why the option C is also correct. So A, B, C, other 3 options are correct for this particular question. So this is J Advanced 2011 problem and its problem is let x naught y naught be the solution of the following equations. 2x raised to the power ln 2 is equals to 3y raised to the power ln 3 and 3 raised to the power ln x is equals to 2 raised to the power ln y, and then we have to get the value of x naught. Okay. So first we'll solve this equation and we'll straight away take the log there. At base e, ln2 is given there. So we can write ln2 ln2x is equals to ln3 ln3y. So x naught y naught be the solution. So finally we'll convert those x naught y naught before simplifying this. 3 raised to the power ln x is equals to 2 raised to the power ln y. So there we will take the log, and so this equation will become ln x into ln3 is equals to ln y into ln2. So we can write here ln2 into ln2x is equals to ln3 into, and we can use the formula ln AB, that is ln3 plus ln y. And from there we can get the value. From this equation we can find the value of ln y. So ln y is equals to ln x into ln3 divided by ln2. So now we'll substitute the value of ln y, as we have to get the value of x naught. Okay. So that is ln2 into ln2x is equals to ln3 into ln3 plus ln y's value, which is ln x into ln3 divided by ln2. So now if we simplify, I'll multiply entire equation by ln2. So we can write this will get ln2 is a square. This we will get one ln2 over there. This ln2 in the denominator will go, and it will become ln3 into ln2 plus ln x into ln3. This is what you will get there. So you can see there it's ln3 is there, ln3 from both the terms. This is a multiplication, so we can bring it out there, and we can write this as a ln3 is a square. And it will become ln3 is a square, as I've taken this ln3 out. So this is ln3 is out there, this ln3 is out there. So it has become ln2 plus ln x. Okay. So we'll bring at this side, this is minus, is equals to 0. And you see we can write this is ln2 square minus ln3 square, and ln2x there, and this you can see ln2 plus ln x will become ln2x is equals to 0, and this ln2x, and this is our x naught. So I'll just write this as x naught there, and see it's not possible that ln2 is equals to ln3 is not possible. So we have to write that ln2x naught is equals to 0. So that means 2x naught has to be 1, x naught is equals to half. So option C is correct. You just quickly I'll tell you what I've done again, that ln2 I bring this side, ln2x, then ln3, this ln3y, and this equation, that is ln x into ln3, ln y into ln2. And from there we got the value of ln y, which I substituted here. I broke this ln3y as ln3 plus ln y, and then we substituted the value of ln y there, and we got the answer x naught is equals to half.